Okay, now we are on 6.1. This is question 1. 1a. 0 square. This is read as 0 square. Or you can also read this as 0 to the power of 2. To the second power. Or 0 to the power of 2. So we need to understand that 0 square, the 0 is called the base, and the 2 is called the exponent. And 0 square is really just 0 times 0. So this little exponent tells us to multiply the base by itself 2 times in this case. So of course 0 times 0 is just 0. And that's the answer for 1a. 1b. 1 square is 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 will just be 1. C. 2 square is 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. D. 3 square is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. E. 4 square is 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. F. 5 square is 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. G. 6 square is 6 times 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. H. 7 square is 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. I. 8 square is 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. J. 9 square is 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. K. 10 square is 10 times 10. And 10 times 10 is 100. L. 11 square is 11 times 11. 11 times 11 is 121. M. 12 square is 12 times 12. 12 times 12 is 144. And 13 square is 13 times 13. 13 times 13 is 169. O. 14 square is 14 times 14. And 14 times 14 is 196. Yep. And then finally, P is 15 square. 15 times 15 is 225. Okay, so these are the called perfect square numbers. And yes, you need to memorize all these numbers. So from 1 square to 15 square. Okay, so that's the end of question 1. I'll see you in question 2.